Alright, hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, as you guys can see in the title, we're going to be cleaning my leather interior, or my pleather interior. Volkswagen people might get a little offended by that. I certainly was when I found out this wasn't real leather, but it's a nice mix and it's very comfy, so can't complain. So we're going to be cleaning the leather with steam. I'm going to focus on not using chemicals because the idea for this video is doing this as cheap as possible, and I have a detailing business and I focus a lot of my cleaning on this one steam cleaner. I really like it. It does a fantastic job on leather surfaces. So this is the little brush attachment I was talking about. What we're gonna do now, I'm gonna attach it to the steamer, or the wand as you may call it, and we're going to kind of put it a little dead center, give ourselves a nice amount of space. As it's drying, you can kind of tell already just the difference between this matte sheen compared to this glossiness. I feel like if I remove the tape, it won't be that noticeable, but you can just tell just from this side compared to this side. It's a little bit more glossy and kind of greasy, and this is more, just more matte and less reflective. So we'll remove the tape. You can almost see the line right here. Clean versus dirty. I don't know if that'll show up that well, but for the most part, I mean, you can sort of just tell without even the tape line that this side is more clean. Occasionally what you'll notice is if you start kind of bouncing between seats and steering wheel, whatever was on your seats that you were cleaning will appear on the steering wheel, so be careful of that. What we'll do now is I'm going to clean the rest of the steering wheel, and then I'm going to clean my driver's seat, and I'll show you guys kind of the whole process and the finished product. So these are the final results with the leather. One thing I want to mention too is you can go anywhere with the steamer. You can hit this, you can hit this. Really anything's fair game. Of course, you can also even do windows if you wanted, depending on how clean your microfiber is, because it can leave streaks. That's a thing that will happen, but you can clean really anything. I don't recommend paintwork, but that's up to you. But for the most part, super pleased with this. I did make a video with this steamer before, but I really never did a before and after and showed you guys kind of the finished results and how far you can get with kind of a relatively used car. This car has 41,000 miles on it, which is, you know, that's not new anymore, so it's definitely should show its wear. But as you guys can see, these seats are looking really good. Any kind of shininess is just general wear to the seat. That really won't go away unless you kind of get them reupholstered, but I'm not worried about that. They look good, and I'm pleased with the extent of the steamer. So regardless, thank you guys so much for watching. if you guys have any questions from this video, if I didn't go over anything, if I missed something, please let me know, because I will correct that in the description. But for the most part, thank you guys so much for watching. It means a lot to me. It really helps me out by watching this far too. And not only that, but subscribing and commenting, it means the world to me. It really, really helps me out, because this is an awesome hobby of mine, and I'm glad I can do it for such a insane audience right now. So yeah, for the most part, this is how I clean my leather seats, and I'd love to make more detailed videos. Also leave a comment as to what you guys want to see as far as future detailed videos. I could do an engine bay detail. I could do a full wheels off detail. But yeah, the ball's in your court. Let me know what you guys want to see. And with that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.